Exercise 1. Dumbbell Russian twists, target muscles, obliques, rectus abdominis. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Hold a dumbbell with both hands in front of your chest. Lean back slightly to engage your core and lift your feet off the floor if possible. Twist your torso to the right, bringing the dumbbell beside your hip. Return to the center and twist to the left. Inhale when returning to the center position. Exhale as you twist to each side. Tips: keep your back straight and move with control. Exercise 2. Dumbbell overhead sit-up, target muscles, rectus abdominis. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell against your chest with both hands. Engage your core and sit up, bringing your chest towards your knees. Lower back down with control. Inhale as you lower your body back down. Exhale as you sit up. Tips: avoid using momentum and focus on using your abdominal muscles. Exercise 3. Dumbbell side bends, target muscles, obliques. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in your right hand. Place your left hand on your hip. Bend to the right, lowering the dumbbell towards your knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Inhale when returning to the upright position. Exhale as you bend to the side. Tips: keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward or backward. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Exercise 4. Dumbbell plank rows. Target muscles: core, obliques, shoulders. Start in a plank position with a dumbbell in each hand. Engage your core and row one dumbbell towards your hip. Lower the dumbbell, back down, and repeat on the other side. Inhale as you lower the dumbbell back to the ground. Exhale as you row the dumbbell up towards your torso. Tips: keep your hips level and avoid rotating your torso. Exercise 5. Dumbbell wood choppers. Target muscles: obliques, rectus abdominis. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell with both hands. Twist to bring the dumbbell to your right hip. Engage your core and swing the dumbbell diagonally across your body to above your left shoulder. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Inhale as you bring the dumbbell down across your body. Exhale as you lift the dumbbell up over your shoulder. Tips: use your core to control the movement, not just your arms. Return to the starting position and switch sides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.